Hello.
I'm not ready.
Hi, I'm Rhiannon at Laser Everything, and today we're doing the Dungeons and Dragons table or gaming table engraving. We're going to be doing a big design on the leaflet. You can click the link down in the description to see part 1 where we did the testing. If you like gaming tables and lasering them, then stick around and see what we got in store. Some important things to consider today are centering. That's one of the biggest ones. When centering, we're going to be mostly trying to get the height centered, and then Alex pointed out earlier how we have an equal amount of planks, I guess, on this leaflet that are all the same size, so we really just want to make sure it's centered with this little center piece. We got our settings all good from our test in the last video. We did talk to Chris about the orientation, so that side he likes a little less than this side, so we're gonna have it face this way and go vertically along the table. It's like the head of the table, so is over here. So we also don't want the faces of the animals where any of the knots in the wood are. We want to just make sure all of that is clear. We're gonna measure to find the center now. We found a measuring stick that has metric measurements on it for Alex's sake. So our width is gonna be, let's see, 74.5 centimeters. Then height, and that is 136 centimeters. So I just took the height and the width in centimeters and divided it by 2. So we're gonna be using this straight line chalking kit to mark the center. One thing about Chris's leaflet is this, again, we used little planks of wood, so it is identical on both sides. So we actually want the center of this little plank, which we just realized is about right with our halfway measurement. So we did a pretty good job making sure everything was the same size. So it's right at 37.25, which is around here. Good. So now we have the height, and we're looking for the center of that, which is 68. So 68. Now that we're all chalked, we're gonna head over to Lightburn and we're gonna size this up for the X-Tool D1 Pro. The workspace for this one is 400 by 400 millimeters. We're gonna take into consideration that the edges might have some issues if we're too close to them, so we'll size it down a little bit. I guess I should probably center it and go big. So in here, we tested this in part 1. We liked the speed being at 300, power at 65. We also set the line interval to 0.04. So since this is a big project, we need to move the X-Tool on top of the table. Now that we have the laser on here, we're going to send it home and then set the origin to the center, and that's how we'll get it lined up on the table accurately. All right, we're gonna focus it first. The latch. Nice and tight. Now that we're focused, we're gonna home it. We set the distance for moving it to 200 millimeters since we have a 400 millimeter workspace. So now we can move it down 1 and to the right 1 so that it's in the center. We're gonna fire with 5% power, just a little bit, enough so we can see it, and physically move the laser to the center. Change our distance to something smaller, like 50 millimeters, and that's set. Then we're going to move it up and down from the center point so that we can tell that it's on the line and squared with the workspace. Looks good. We know it's centered. So now we're gonna set the origin so that the laser knows where to start in the center. And then we're gonna set the job origin down here to the center so that Lightburn knows that it's centered. This is all the setup we can do, so let's go get Chris now so we can do a final frame and get everything up to his standards. You have a picture of him petting his evil dog sidekick. What do you think? Do you want us to do our little square test so you can see that it's centered? Chris has high standards.
Why does this look so much wider on this side?
This side of the rail over here has a stepper motor under there. You see it? And there's no stepper motor over here, so it comes much further to the left than it goes to the right.
You want to see our little test?
Sure.
What do you think?
Okay.
Yeah? You trust us?
Yep. Still worried, but.
Alright. So now we're going to start. Yay! Starting now.
It's oriented the right.
Amigos on the bait will be rolling shit.
It's done!
Time to finish this table.
Got the amigos on the bait will be.
Thanks for watching the episode. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and then go to lasereverything.net/support to find out different ways to support the channel. Continue following us for more fun engraving projects. See ya in the next one.